Hey, my fellow travelers. Welcome back to Corre Caminos TV, where adventure isn't just a destination, it's a way of life. Today, I've got a list that's going to spark those travel cravings and have you packing your bags in no time. That's right, we're diving into the top 5 most spectacular destinations in Colombia. Can you imagine walking along white sandy beaches or immersing yourself in the history of ancient civilizations? If you're nodding your head, then stay tuned because this video is packed with surprises that will make you want to book a flight right away. But before we kick off this virtual journey, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and smash the like button if you're as obsessed with adventure as I am. Let's get started. Number 5. Tyrona National Park, the jewel of Colombia's Caribbean coast. Starting off strong with Tyrona National Park, a place that'll have you saying wow the moment your feet hit its white sandy beaches. Located about 34 kilometers from Santa Marta, this natural paradise is not only home to breathtaking beaches but also a lush jungle that makes you feel like you've stepped into an adventure movie. Watch out for those monkeys. They might steal your lunch. And for all you history buffs, you're in for a treat. Tyrona was once home to the indigenous Tyrona people, who left traces of their civilization throughout the park. It's like walking through a blend of history and nature. How cool is that? Number 4. Ciudad Perdida. Indiana Jones would be jealous. Next, we head into the Sierra Nevada of Santa Marta for a destination so mysterious, even the bravest explorers might get a little nervous. Ciudad Perdida, the lost city. If you're up for an adventure, this one's for you. To reach it, you'll need to trek through the jungle for several days, cross rivers, and climb mountains. Sounds like a challenge, right? Well, it is. But the reward is worth every step. An ancient center of the Tyrona civilization, with terraces and pathways that look like something from another world. It's a mix of Indiana Jones and Jumanji, but in real life. Only the most daring travelers take on this journey. Are you up for it? Number 3. Santa Marta. History, beaches, and party time. In third place, we have Santa Marta, Colombia's oldest city and one of the most vibrant. Here you get the perfect mix. Charming colonial history, beautiful beaches, and a nightlife that'll have you dancing until sunrise. Founded in 1525, Santa Marta is the place where culture and fun collide. From here, you can set off to explore Tyrona Park or just enjoy the cobblestone streets and mouth-watering local food. And if you're into partying, Santa Marta knows how to keep the rhythm going all night long. Trust me. Number 2. Caño Cristales, the river that stole the rainbow. Our top just keeps getting more colorful with Caño Cristales, also known as the River of 5 Colors. But wait, it's not magic. Well, okay, maybe a little. This river, located in La Macarena, Meta, looks like it was hand-painted by nature itself. During certain months of the year, the riverbed algae turn vibrant colors. Reds, yellows, even blues. It's a natural wonder that will make you question whether you're on Earth or another planet. Plus, you can hike around the surrounding waterfalls and rock formations. If you're a nature lover, this is a must-see. It's like watching a rainbow flow through water. If you're loving this video and already dreaming of your next adventure, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our future travel tips and destinations. Trust me, the best is yet to come. Number 1. Cartagena de Indias. History, culture, and magic at every corner. Finally, at number 1, we have the charming and ever-enchanting Cartagena de Indias. What can I say about this colonial gem that won't leave you completely smitten? Founded in 1533, this walled city is a perfect mix of history and modernity. From the cobblestone streets of its historic center to the vibrant street art in Getsemani, Cartagena is pure magic. And if you thought it was all about history, wait until the sun sets. The nightlife here is epic. Plus, if you're into castles, Castillo de San Felipe de Barajas is a must-visit. It's the perfect spot for those Instagram-worthy shots. Alright, travelers, that's it for today. These were the top 5 destinations in Colombia you absolutely can't miss. But don't go just yet, because in my next video, I'm taking you to explore the most beautiful beaches in the Dominican Republic. You're going to love it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below telling me which of these places you'd love to visit first. Or if you've already been, let me know what you think. Remember, on this channel, you'll always find the best travel inspiration without breaking the bank. Catch you in the next adventure, always here on Corre Caminos TV. Until then, keep dreaming and keep traveling.